All right, it's Thanksgiving.
Yay.
Happy Thanksgiving, cubes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's Thanksgiving.
It's Thanksgiving. So what does that mean? You have a special Thanksgiving cube?
First.
The first one?
Yeah, that's my special Thanksgiving cube.
Let's see if you're right. Oh.
Hello, little Alfie.
Okay.
Pet him.
Oh, the excitement is here. No, I need to see. What's your hands are cold?
My Thanksgiving cube.
Prince Adam! We have a Prince Adam. But now we can open a Prince Adam.
Knew it was a good Thanksgiving cube.
Yeah. So now.
Open it.
Yeah, because we have 2 Prince Adams. This is the one we just got, and this is the one we had, because I saw the number. There we go. All right. You want to open them up?
Mm-hmm. I love... Ooh, I wonder what Prince Adam's going to look like.
Oh, look at his sword. It's so cool.
It's pink.
Yeah, that's the way it was when we were kids, the toys. Prince Adam came with that pink sword. It matched his clothes. That's awesome.
Yeah, Prince Adam over there looks exactly the same. Except his sword's...
There he is. Yeah, let's see what he jumps. Ready? Oh, he looks tough, right? Oh, look at him. Look at his fist. Whoa. There he goes. Cool. All right. Let's take a quick look back here. All right. 4 to go. There we go. Sealed up.
Yeah.
Prince Adam and He-Man. Side by side. And then Prince Adam and He-Man to play with side by side. There we go. Hang on a sec. So, all right. Last question. Anything that's... What do we... Still need that one tri-klops. We have no tri-klopses.
Daddy?
Yeah.
In the last video, in a few other videos, we opened 2 for the weekend. So can we open another?
Let's see. Thursday, we've got Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then we'll have one left over. So, yeah, we can open one more if you want.
Yeah.
All right. What's it going to be?
My other Thanksgiving cube is 2. Is it gonna be?
Okay. Who are we hoping for this time?
Tri-klops.
You want a tri-klops, right? Any tri-klops would be cool, right?
Just one of tri-klops. In about.
Another Cringer! Oh my goodness. Okay.
There are lots of cringers.
There are. We've got one open one.
Wait,
and
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 regular
And
cringers.
evil-lyns, we have 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go up. 6.
Yeah, we've got a bunch of evil-lyns. We've got a bunch of cringers. See, look, 1, 2, 3 cringers plus the open one.
And we got some humans.
We've got 1, 2, 3 of these plus the open one plus 2 of these. Oh, look, and then there's the battle cats.
Yeah.
There we go. Man, how come they won't let us get a tri-klops? Tri-klops.
Wait, are we still able to open things when the game comes out?
Yeah.
Oh, so yeah. We're just going to keep opening things until we get a tri-klops.
Oh, we got to buy more cubes.
Yeah.
All right. Well, 3 to go.